Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into Gmail and going straight to your Google account settings. This is faster than hunting through menus. Once signed in, click your profile photo, pick Manage your Google account, and navigate to Security. Under Security, find your devices and recent security events so you can see active sessions and flagged actions. These views show where your account is signed in and notable changes. Do this immediately so you capture current sessions before any automatic logouts or device rotations hide them. Now inspect the detailed entries. Under your devices, scan each device line for location, device type, and the last activity time to detect anomalies. Once you select a device, expand its details to see browser, operating system, and approximate IP address. Those clues explain why an entry looks unfamiliar. Next, review recent security events to correlate sign-ins with password changes or recovery edits, because correlated events often indicate compromise. If something doesn't match your behavior, note the time and device before taking action. Finish by removing risk. Sign out of any devices you don't recognize, then change your password to a strong, unique phrase. This cuts off active sessions. Once done, enable two-step verification and verify your recovery email and phone so future recovery and alerts go to you. If suspicious activity continues after these steps, escalate. Remove account access from third-party apps, run device malware scans, and consider a remote wipe for lost devices. If you can't stop it, contact Google Account Help for guided recovery and additional protections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.